Emma! Emma! Over here!
I am!
Emma, you're doing. Do you want this?
Sure. It's not quite as slick as real ice. I guess not! Ah! Need to help back up? Here you go. Oh! Whee! Good job, look, you're ice skating. You want back on the bucket? Okay, there you go. Look at that! You're doing it! Welcome back to Land the House. We just got back from town where we were doing a little ice skating. It wasn't real ice. There was these, I'm gonna say 6x6 sheets of plastic, and they spray it down with something, I guess it's water, and you put skates on, and it's pretty close to ice. You just can't really glide like you can on an ice rink. So I'm out here with my brand new Mavic Mini drone. This thing is so tiny. My friend Sam from the Green Acre Homestead asked that I do something with the drone, and that is see if we can see the 200-watt work light from space. So we'll fly up to 400 feet and turn this on and see how bright it is from up there. So here you go, Sam. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we got 9 satellites.
The waypoint has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, cool. So to start it, I just bring the sticks down together. There you go, Sam. Yes, you can see it turn on from space. If you haven't been to the Green Acre Homestead channel, there is a link in the description down below. Sam and Angela have been remodeling their house, and their channel is just exploding, so go check out their new content. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the drone here and head back inside. We've got a Christmas party to go to this evening. Our party was lots of fun last night. We got to exchange gifts and just hang out for a while. Emma's outside looking for buried treasure with her treasure map, and I'm going to go ahead and clean out the gutters because I haven't done that since the leaves fell. So we're gonna head down here, get the ladder that's at the playhouse, and then start cleaning out the gutters on both sides of the house here. I think next week I may spend the $25 needed to get the last sheet of playhouse sheathing for the sides. And then we'll have to get the windows in and such, but should be fun. But okay, let's go ahead and get some gutters clean. What is it? What'd you find?
Gutters.
Oh, gutters? Gutters are up top of the house. So where is the new bridge? Is it on the map?
Yeah.
On the map.
It's find the bridge.
Find the bridge. We wrapped up Ashley's Christmas gift this morning, and the leftovers turned into a treasure map. And so we are out here searching for the treasure. Hopefully we'll find it. But my neighbors built a little bridge. I think they're about 15, 16 years old, and they just wanted to have a little project. So they came up to the house and asked if they could use my property here to make a little bridge over the creek.
That way or that way?
The bridge is this way.
Yeah, it is. Our bridge is this way.
Here's a new bridge over here. Let's go check it out. Okay, maybe we can see two bridge. I think these are treated boards. I can definitely see there's going to be an issue whenever the water goes up, whenever it rains hard. But anyway, I remember as a kid it was fun building this kind of thing. What do you think about this new bridge?
Cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna go find the other bridge over here?
No, over here.
Okay. You lead the way, map reader.
This way.
Okay. Here, show me what kind of treasure you found. Let me see it. Wow, where'd you find it? Was it on the car over there?
The bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
Okay, after a slight detour of treasure hunting, Emma's back inside drinking some apple juice and watching Scooby-Doo. We paid for the subscription to Boomerang, and it's been really great. So, I upgraded the ram pump waste valves to the stainless steel, and they are really fantastic, but they are a lot bigger. So, I had to purchase some larger shipping boxes, and also, one of the complaints I've had a few times over the past 6 years is that I don't put an insert in the ram pump boxes. Well, I do now. So there is a, it just tells you what's in the box, what you need to get the pump connected, and that kind of thing. Also, hopefully coming up soon, I'm starting back with the project of getting the camera gantry working. So if you're new to the channel, you have not seen the camera gantry. It is this track system I started up here and over here. So what it was going to do was have a track that would allow something like this to roll across, and it would have a piece coming down for my camera to sit on top of, so I could adjust the camera anywhere I wanted to in the shop. And this is kind of my playing around prototype here. It would just have a mount for the camera, and I could articulate an arm around wherever I needed it. But anyway, that's not anything right now. So that's a project to look forward to. Also, I'm going to continue the Archimedes turbine. We'll be getting that started up again tomorrow. Well, a couple days ago for you, since I'm filming today for Thursday. Anyway, I'm just rambling on, but I have projects lined up for us to work on. So one cool thing that a friend of mine mentioned with the camera gantry, I was having a problem with it lining up. I put that piece of black tape up there, I don't know if you can see it. He said, why don't you find the inner diameter of your pipe, whatever it may be, and then purchase a dowel that you can coax in there. This is obviously way too small, but anyway, find the right dowel to go in there, and then line these two up together so they will be equal and not moving around. So anyway, that's going to be implemented here when we begin this. So I'm gonna go out here and finish cleaning the gutters. and go ahead and wrap up this vlog. It's short, but that's what we're doing now because I want to have this time to work on these bigger projects like the turbine and the camera gantry. Nothing too glamorous about cleaning out gutters, but it has to be done at least once a year. Probably should be done more than this. I may actually head up to my parents' neighbor's house today and see if they want their gutters cleaned out for an extra few dollars. But yeah, kind of a mess. I just heard Emma say, cutting the grass is easy. And she was in here sitting on top of the Raptor. Is cutting grass easy? Yeah, I hope it is for you in a few years. Well, gutters are cleaned out, and that's going to end this project. But because you stayed to the end of the vlog, I have a little nugget of fun information. I've been doing some research on Pico hydro, which is very small micro hydro, I guess. And after the Archimedes turbine testing and build, the next step will be, or the next project will be, to go up to the top of the hill up here, to as far up as I can to get the creek and bring water back down. I'll have to see what the distance is. I think to the top is 2,000 feet, give or take. I've got it on my wrist. Anyway, I priced some pipe, and 1,000 feet is a little over $300 for 1 inch. Probably should go more than that, but I don't really have that kind of money. So, but it'd be so fun to bring water from way up there, down the creek, and maybe bring it out closer to the house here for wiring costs, but make a little turbine and then shoot the water back to the ditch. But it'd be really great if I could make somewhere around 200 watts all the time. That way I could either put a heater in the house for the winter time, or run some lights, or maybe even get a grid tie inverter and just supplement the house power. But anyway, that's going to be a couple of months from now, but it should be really entertaining. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.